Think a diversity, equity, and inclusion trainer just clicks through PowerPoints, reciting statistics and delivering the same old corporate jargon? Think again. It's so much more than that. A global DEI trainer is part diplomat, carefully navigating sensitive situations, part therapist, listening and understanding diverse perspectives, part detective, uncovering hidden biases and systemic inequalities, tasked with changing a company's entire climate, fostering a more inclusive and equitable environment for everyone, not just teaching rules. It's about transforming mindsets. Their goal, to make themselves unnecessary, to build a sustainable culture of inclusion that thrives independently, by building a culture where everyone belongs, feels valued, and can contribute their best work. Imagine a company as a big, diverse family dinner. The DEI trainer keeps the conversation respectful, ensuring that differing opinions are voiced constructively, and ensures everyone feels heard, understood, and respected regardless of their background. They're cultural translators, bridging gaps between different perspectives and experiences, and empathy coaches, fostering understanding and compassion within the workplace, helping people understand differences and avoid misunderstandings. It's about proactive communication and conflict resolution. The global part matters. What works in Ohio might not work in Tokyo. Cultural nuances are key. They design policies and cultures, crafting inclusive frameworks that are adaptable across diverse global contexts, that cross borders and time zones, promoting collaboration and understanding on a global scale, asking tough questions about fairness and inclusion. They challenge the status quo and advocate for equitable practices. It's a complex puzzle, and they're the ones fitting the pieces together, creating a cohesive and inclusive whole. Ready to see if you have what it takes to be a corporate peacemaker? Are you ready to make a real difference? A DEI Trainers Day is never just lectures. Mornings might start with a call to Singapore, helping leaders see how hiring practices could unintentionally exclude talent. They use data and stories to persuade, not just present. Later, they run interactive workshops. Think role-playing real scenarios, not just talking at people. They guide managers through tricky situations, teaching practical skills for multicultural teams. Behind the scenes, they analyze survey data, spot patterns, and co-design solutions with HR and leadership. One-on-one, they coach executives and employee group leaders, offering confidential advice and strategy. The job demands constant switching: analyst, facilitator, advisor, all in a day's work. It's about real impact, not just checking boxes. Want to be a corporate peacemaker, a champion for diversity, equity, and inclusion? Someone who can truly make a difference in the workplace? Here's what you need to cultivate to thrive in this role. It's a blend of education, experience, and essential skills. Degrees help, providing a foundation of knowledge, but real value comes from experience, the practical application of that knowledge. This includes leading tough conversations, navigating sensitive topics with grace and skill. It also means working effectively across cultures, understanding different perspectives and communication styles. And fundamentally, it's about building trust, fostering an environment of openness and respect. You must create psychological safety, even with skeptical audiences, so everyone feels comfortable sharing their thoughts and concerns. Master virtual tools, as remote collaboration is increasingly common. Become proficient with tools like Miro, Slido, and project platforms. These are essential for organizing and tracking initiatives. Be comfortable with data, understanding how to interpret and analyze it, and use it to tell persuasive stories, communicating insights in a clear and compelling way. Show you can influence leaders with evidence, backing up your recommendations with solid data. Focus on results, not just good intentions. Demonstrate the impact of your work. Many DEI trainers start in other fields, bringing diverse perspectives and experiences. They might come from project management, marketing, operations, where they learned to navigate diverse teams and understand organizational dynamics. Get involved in employee resource groups to build experience and demonstrate your commitment. Collaboration is key. You'll work closely with HR, legal, communications, and executives daily. Your success depends on building strong, trusting relationships across the company. You're the hub connecting all the spokes, facilitating communication and driving progress. This job isn't all feel-good moments and easy wins. It requires resilience and a deep commitment. You'll face resistance, sometimes from unexpected corners, and navigating that resistance is a key skill. Expect emotional fatigue. It's a real challenge when dealing with sensitive topics day in and day out. And there's the challenge of measuring impact that's often invisible, making it hard to quantify your successes. Success means staying optimistic, even when faced with setbacks and slow progress. It's about planting seeds for change, even when results are slow and hard to see in the short term. You'll track metrics, promotion rates, retention, feedback to demonstrate the value of your work. But your biggest wins might be the problems that never happen, the conflicts avoided, and the biases mitigated. The rewards, high demand, making you a valuable asset in any organization. Expect strong pay, reflecting the importance of this work in today's world. And flexibility, often remote or hybrid work arrangements are common. You get autonomy, allowing you to shape your role and make a real difference. This role gives you the freedom to design programs and solve complex problems, driving meaningful change. Career growth isn't linear, it's more like a winding path with many opportunities. From here, you can move up to DEI leadership, shaping the future of your organization, or pivot into analytics, communications, or product roles, leveraging your unique skills and experience. The skills you build open many doors, creating a wealth of possibilities for your future. This career doesn't box you in. It allows you to break free from traditional constraints. Instead, it expands your options, offering a diverse range of career paths to explore. If you love solving people puzzles and creating inclusive environments, this is your field. Worried about AI taking your job? Not here. AI can crunch data and draft materials, but it can't build trust, read a room, or share a personal story. Empathy, cultural insight, and storytelling are what make this role future-proof. Embrace AI for the heavy lifting, but double down on your human skills, listening, facilitation, and cross-cultural connection. Keep learning, broaden your perspective, and build real relationships. This is more than a job. It's a calling for the curious and compassionate. Are you ready to build bridges in the corporate world? Share your thoughts below. Let's keep the conversation going.